Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today I am going to teach class 6. The subject is English and the sub-subject is A Pact with the Sun. It means supplementary reader. And the topic is what happened to the reptiles. I was teaching this topic since last class. So this is the part 2 of this topic, what happened to the reptiles. So this is the part 2 of this topic. Let's start by explaining it. In the previous class we have seen that there is a person, the name of that person was Prem, and he was telling us the story of a village. The name of that village was Pambupatti. When the people were not studying in schools, they were living in caves and forest. At that time there was a big, you can say, forest in Pambupatti, and in that forest there lived the reptiles, different kinds of reptiles, and Makara was the head of those reptiles. And Makara was a crocodile. He was a big crocodile and he was the head of those reptiles. Now let us see the next one. The next paragraph is, now one day a strange thing happened. It was a week before one of the monthly meetings. Makara sent a letter to the tortoises asking them not to come to the meeting. Ahiste, the big old star tortoise with black and yellow picture on his shell, was very angry. In this paragraph it is said that now one day, now the old man of Pambupatti is telling the story of the forest of Pambupatti. He is telling the story to Prem, and he told Prem, now one day a strange thing happened. One day a strange thing happened. एक अजीब वाक़या हुआ. And what was that strange thing? It was a week before one of the monthly meetings. It was a week before one of the monthly meeting, and before 1 week that strange thing happened. Makara sent a letter to the tortoises. Makara sent a letter to tortoises. Makara ने एक लेटर जो है tortoises को भेजा. Why? Asking them not to come to the meeting. Makara sent a letter to tortoises and told them not to come in the meeting. He told them don't attend the meeting, asking them not to come to the meeting. Ahiste, the big old star tortoise with black and yellow pictures on his shell, was very angry. Ahiste is the name of a tortoise. Ahiste was the big old star tortoise. He was a big tortoise and with black and yellow pictures on his shell. There were black and yellow pictures on his shell. उसके शेल पर, उसके ऊपर जो शेल था उसके ऊपर ब्लैक और येलो जो है पिक्चर्स थी, उसके ऊपर जो है धारियाँ बनी हुई थी, पिक्चर्स बनी हुई थी. And his shell was very angry. That old tortoise was very angry that Makara didn't call them in the meeting. Now see the next one. What does this mean? He shouted. How dare they? But not one of the tortoises had the courage to attend the meeting. They were so few that others so many. What does this mean? The old tortoise asked, what does this mean? इसका क्या मतलब? Why he forbade us not to attend the meeting? Why did he not allowing us to attend the meeting? He shouted means ahiste, the big tortoise, the old tortoise shouted, how dare they, how dare they, how dare they. उनकी ऐसा करने की हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare they stopped us from going to the meeting? But not one of the tortoise had the courage to attend the meeting. But there was not a single tortoise who had the courage to attend the meeting. लेकिन वहाँ पर कोई ऐसा टॉर्टोइज नहीं था, किसी भी टॉर्टोइज के अंदर इतनी हिम्मत नहीं थी कि वो मीटिंग अटेंड कर सके. बट नॉट वन ऑफ द टॉर्टोइजेस हैड द करेज टू अटेंड द मीटिंग. दे वर सो फ्यू, द अदर्स सो मेनी. दे वर सो फ्यू, द टॉर्टोइजेस वर सो फ्यू. टॉर्टोइजेस देयर काउंटिंग वॉज सो फ्यू, वो जो है बहुत कम थे. एंड द अदर्स सो मेनी, एंड द अदर्स एनिमल, अदर रेप्टाइल्स वर सो मेनी. देयर वर सो मेनी अदर एनिमल्स एंड दे कांट स्टैंड अगेंस्ट दोज एनिमल्स. They couldn't stand against those animals. Now see the next one. Before the meeting, the giant Makara polished his teeth with the red flowers of the tree by the river till they sparkled. Everyone was waiting for him at the meeting place. Before the meeting started, मीटिंग के शुरू होने से पहले द जाइंट मकारा पॉलिश्ड हिज टीथ. द जाइंट, द बिग मकारा, जाइंट यू कैन से बिग, द बिग मकारा पॉलिश्ड हिज टीथ. उसने अपने दांतों की पॉलिश की, उसने अपने दांतों को साफ किया. विद द रेड फ्लावर्स ऑफ द ट्री, विद द रेड फ्लावर्स ऑफ द ट्री. ही पॉलिश्ड his teeth, he cleaned his teeth with the red flowers of the tree by the river that was situated by the river, that was situated near the river, जो नदी के किनारे था. till they sparkled, sparkled you can say shined. He cleaned his teeth, he polished his teeth with the red flowers till his teeth sparkled, till his teeth shined. जब तक कि उसके दांत चमकने नहीं लगे उस वक्त तक उसने अपने दांतों को जो है पॉलिश करना जारी रखा लाल फूलों से. Everyone was waiting for him at the meeting place. Every reptile was waiting for him at the meeting place because he was the head of the reptiles. He was the head, so everyone was waiting for Makara. क्योंकि मकारा ही हेड था इसलिए सभी लोग उसका इंतज़ार कर रहे थे. Brothers and sisters, he began. All the reptiles, even the beautiful king cobras, stopped talking. Makara continued his speech. I have decided that we don't need the tortoises. I have told them not to come today. Brothers and sisters, can you tell me why we don't like the tortoises? Now Makara started his speech. Makara began brothers and sisters. He started his speech with brothers and sisters, भाइयों और बहनों. इस तरह से कह करके उसने अपनी स्पीच को शुरू किया. All the reptiles, even the beautiful king cobras, stopped talking. All the reptiles who were present at that time, at that place, including the beautiful king cobras, stopped talking. Means all the reptiles stopped talking when Makara started to deliver his speech. Makara continued his speech and Makara continued his speech. Makara continued to tell the things that he wanted to tell. I have decided that we don't need the tortoises. Now he is going to tell his intention. He told his intention that I have decided that we don't need the tortoises. Makara told them that I have decided that we don't need the tortoises in Pambupatti forest. I have told them not to come today. That's why I have told them not to come today in the meeting. इसीलिए मैंने उनसे कह दिया कि वो आज मीटिंग में न आए. Brothers and sisters, can you tell me why we don't like the tortoises? Brothers and sisters, मेरे भाइयों और बहनों, can you tell me the reason why we don't like the tortoises? What is the reason that we don't like the tortoises? Can anybody tell me about this? What is the reason that we don't like the tortoises? क्या कोई मुझे बता सकता है इसका रीज़न कि हम tortoises को क्यों नहीं पसंद करते? Why we don't like the tortoises? The reptiles looked this way and that. They felt very uncomfortable. The snakes hissed anxiously. The lizards wriggled their tails. The crocodiles opened their jaws even wider. The reptiles looked this way and that. The reptiles looked this way and that. It means the reptiles they were not able to deliver their speech. And the reptiles looked this way and that. इसलिए वो इधर उधर बस उन्होंने देखना जारी रखा, वो बस उन्होंने इधर उधर देखा. They felt very uncomfortable. At that time, they felt very uncomfortable because Makara has stopped the tortoises to come in the meeting. The snakes hissed anxiously. The snakes hissed at that time anxiously. Anxiously, you can say restlessly, without any rest. They were anxious. बेचैनी के साथ स्नेक्स ने हिस की आवाज़ें निकाली. द लिजर्ड्स रिगल्ड दियर टेल्स. रिगल्ड यू कैन से ट्विस्टेड, मोड़ लेना, थोड़ा सा जो है मोड़ लेना. द लिजर्ड्स रिगल्ड दियर टेल्स. द लिजर्ड्स आल्सो ट्विस्टेड दियर टेल्स. लिजर्ड्स ने अपनी पूंछों को जो है ट्विस्ट कर लिया. द क्रोकोडाइल्स ओपन देयर जाज इवन वाइडर. एंड द क्रोकोडाइल दे ओपन देयर जाज इवन वाइडर. They opened their jars more wider. क्रोकोडाइल्स ने अपने जाज को, अपने जबड़ों को, अपने मुंह को जो है और ज़्यादा खोल लिया. इट मीन्स दे वर एस्टोनिश्ड. वो हैरत में थे. दे वर अमेज्ड. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट वन. बट सेड वन लिटिल लिजर्ड. नो बट्स shouted Makara. There was silence. I think, said a baby crocodile. No, I thinks, screamed Makara so loudly that the fruit in the tree above him rained down. After that, no one had the courage to speak. But, said one lizard. There was one lizard, and the lizard wanted to ask something to Makara. That's why the lizard said but the lizard didn't complete the sentence because Makara interrupted. लिजर्ड ने अभी बट ही कहा था कि मकारा ने इंटरप्ट कर दिया. एंड नो बट्स. ही टोल्ड द लिजर्ड नो बट्स, डोंट यूज योर बट्स. कोई बट नहीं चलेगा आज यहाँ पर, कोई लेकिन नहीं चलेगी. शाउटेड मकारा. मकारा शाउटेड. देयर वाज साइलेंस. आफ्टर द शाउट ऑफ मकारा देयर वाज कंप्लीट साइलेंस. एट दैट टाइम नो वन हैड द करेज टू आस्क एनी अदर question. I think, but there was one more question. I think, said a baby crocodile. There was a baby crocodile, and that baby crocodile said I think, but that crocodile also couldn't complete the sentence. I think, अभी उसने I think कहा ही था कि मकारा ने क्या किया. No, I think, screamed Makara. Makara screamed. Makara shouted. नो आई थिंक्स. कोई भी आई थिंक्स नहीं चलेगा, मैं सोचता हूँ नहीं चलेगा. आई हैव डिसाइडेड इट एंड इट विल बी इम्प्लीमेंटेड. मैंने ये डिसाइड कर लिया और इसी पर अमल किया जाएगा. Screamed Makara so loudly that the fruit in the tree above him rained down. He shouted so loudly that the fruit that was in the tree, that fruit above him rained down. That fruit rained down. Rain means barish. Rain down means drop down. Here we can say fallen down. That so loudly that the fruit in the tree above him rained down. He shouted so loudly that the fruit on that tree, that fruit rained down, fallen down because of the shout of Makara. मकारा के चीखने की वजह से एक फल जो है उस पेड़ से नीचे गिर पड़ा. After that, no one had the courage to speak. After that, no one has the courage to speak. Had the courage to speak. उसके बाद किसी के अंदर बोलने की हिम्मत नहीं हुई. After that, there was not any single reptile who could speak, who could go against Makara. Now see the next one. Makara cleared his throat and showed a few more teeth. Well, he said, I will tell you why we don't like the tortoises. They are so slow, so stupid. They even carry their houses on their backs. Who ever heard of such a stupid thing? Now, you lizards, you live in trees. Would you ever carry a tree on your back? Would you? Small frightened voices answered together, no, we wouldn't. But now see this one. Makara cleared his throat and showed a few more teeth. After that, Makara cleared his throat. उसके बाद मकारा ने अपने गले को थोड़ा साफ किया, थोड़ा क्लियर किया, and showed a few more teeth. And he showed a few more teeth. Means he smiled a little. Well, he said, Makara said, I will tell you why we don't like the tortoises. Now I am going to tell you that why we don't like the tortoises. What is the reason that we don't like the tortoises? अब मैं तुम्हें यह बताने जा रहा हूँ कि हम tortoises को पसंद क्यों नहीं करते. They are so slow. Tortoises are so slow. They walk very slowly. They are so slow in everything. They do everything in a slow manner. They are so slow, so stupid. They are also so stupid. They are not intelligent. They are stupid. They are fool. They even carry their houses on their backs, and we can see the foolishness of the tortoises. And what is the foolishness? They even carry their houses on their backs. They carry their houses on their backs. वो तो अपने घरों को भी अपनी बैग पर, अपनी पीठ पर लेकर के चलते हैं. They even carry their houses on their backs. Who ever heard of such a stupid thing? Who ever heard such a stupid thing? Means we don't carry the houses on our back, but they take their houses, they carry their houses on their backs. This is a stupid thing. Who ever heard of such a stupid thing? किसने इस तरह के stupid thing के बारे में सुना है? Now you lizards, now he is turning towards the lizard. He is going to ask something to the lizards. Now you lizards, you live in trees. Now lizards, tell me, you live in trees. अब lizards, तुम मुझे बताओ, तुम तो पेड़ों पर रहती हो. Would you ever carry a tree on your back? Would you ever carry a tree on your back? Where you go? क्या तुम कहीं जाती हो तो अपनी पीठ पर जो है पेड़ों को लाद कर ले जाती हो? Because trees are your houses. Would you do this? क्या तुम ऐसा करोगी? Small frightened voices answered together. Small frightened voices, because the lizards at that time were much frightened. They were afraid, and small frightened voices answered together. That's why all the lizards answered together, no, we wouldn't. No, we wouldn't take our houses on our back. नहीं, हम अपने घरों को अपने पीठ पर लेकर नहीं चलते. But they have something to say. But the sentence is not completed because Makara stopped them. उन्होंने but कहा ही था कि मकारा ने उन्हें रोक दिया. No buts. Now listen. I have told the tortoises that they will have to move out of Bamboo Patti. When they go, we will have more of everything. More food, more water, more space. I want them out by tomorrow. But because they are such slow coaches, I have given them 1 week. By next Tuesday, we won't have a single tortoise left in this jungle. Now Makara said, no birds. I don't want to listen anything. I don't want to listen birds. I don't want to listen. I think I only want to give my order. You have only to follow my order. You don't have to say anything against me. No buts. कोई बट नहीं चलेगा. Now listen. Now you have only to listen. तुम्हें बस सुनना है, तुम्हें कुछ कहना नहीं है. Now listen. I have told the tortoises that they will have to move out of Bamboo Patti. I have already told the tortoises that they must go out from Pambupatti. They must go out from our forest. I have told the tortoises that they will have to move out of Pambupatti. When they go, we will have more of everything. When they will go, when they will leave the forest, then we will have more of everything. जब वो जंगल को, इस जंगल को छोड़कर चले जाएंगे तो हमारे पास बहुत सी चीज़ें होंगी. We will have more of everything, more food, more water, more space. When they left the Pambupatti, when they will leave the Pambupatti forest, then we will have more food, more water and more space. तब हमारे पास और ज़्यादा खाना, और ज़्यादा पानी, और ज़्यादा जगह होगी रहने के लिए. I want them out by tomorrow. I want them out by tomorrow means he wanted to send from Pambupatti the next day. वो चाहता था कि अगले ही दिन वो पाम्बुपट्टी से चले जाए, बट बिकॉज दे आर सच स्लो कोचेज आई हैव गिवन देम 1 week. But he had given them 1 week because tortoises are very slow. They are very slow, that's why he permitted them to leave the forest within 1 week. But because they are such slow coaches, I have given them 1 week. By next Tuesday, we won't have a single tortoise left in this jungle. And he said that by next Tuesday, अगले Tuesday तक क्या होगा? We won't have a single tortoise. We will not have a single tortoise in the Pambupatti forest. Now see the next one. And by the following Tuesday, they were all gone. At first, the animals were sad, but then they realized that what Makara had said was true. There was more food, more water and more space for them. But soon a strange smell began to fill the forest. It was the smell of rotting fruits on the ground, rotting animals in the river. This was what the tortoises used to eat, and even Makara had to go about holding his nose with his big claws. And by the following Tuesday, and by the next Tuesday और अगले Tuesday तक they were all gone. All tortoises had left the forest. सभी tortoises ने जंगल को छोड़ दिया था. At first the animals were sad. At first all other animals were sad because tortoises had left the forest. But then they realized that what Makara had said was true. But after some day they realized that what Makara said was true. लेकिन उन्हें कुछ दिनों के बाद एहसास हुआ कि मकारा ने जो कहा था वो सच था. There was more food, more water and more space for them. There was more food, more water and more space for them because the tortoises had left the forest. That's why they had more food, more space and more water. But soon a strange smell began to fill the forest. But after a few days, a strange smell started to fill the forest. There was a bad smell after a few days. लेकिन कुछ दिनों के बाद एक ख़राब सी, एक बहुत ही बैड जो है, अजीब स्मेल जो है आना शुरू हो गई. It was the smell of rot. That smell was the smell of rot. वो सड़ने की स्मेल थी, किसी चीज़ के सड़ने की स्मेल थी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल rotting fruit on the ground. That smell was the rotting fruit on the ground and the rotting animals in the river. And the rotting animals in the river. जो ज़मीन में गिरे हुए सड़े हुए फल थे उनकी जो है बदबू थी. And rotting animals in the river and the rotting animals in the river. और जो रिवर में, जो नदी में जो है सड़े गले एनिमल्स थे, जो मर गए थे, सड़ गए थे, उनकी बदबू थी. Those strange smells were these kinds of things. This was what the tortoises used to eat, and this was what the tortoises used to eat. Means tortoises used to eat the rotting animals and rotting fruits. Animal इन सब चीज़ों को खाकर साफ कर देते थे. And even Makara had to go about holding his nose with his big claws. And even Makara had to go from those places by holding his claws towards his nose, big claws. यहाँ तक कि जो है अपने पंजों को, अपने क्लास को जो क्या है मकारा को भी अपनी नाक पर रख करके आगे बढ़ना पड़ता था, बिकॉज ऑफ दोज बैड स्मेल्स। A month passed by, and then the same thing happened all over again, but this time it was the snakes. Makara wrote them one of his letters. They were to leave the forest, and since they could move fast, they had to go in a day. A month passed by. After that, a month passed by. A month has gone away. एक महीना गुजर गया. And then the same thing happened all over again. But then the same thing happened again. That was happened with the tortoises. वही चीज़ें जो tortoises के साथ हुई थी वही घटना फिर से हो गई. But this time it was the snake. But this time there was not any tortoise. That's why it was the snakes. लेकिन इस बार snakes थे. Makara wrote a letter to the snakes. But this time it was the snakes. Makara wrote them one of his letters. Makara wrote them one of his letters because every month he was writing a letter to any group. क्योंकि हर महीने किसी न किसी ग्रुप को वो लेटर लिख रहा था. Makara wrote them one of his letters. They were to leave the forest, and since they could move fast, they had to go in a day. They were to leave the forest, and he told the snakes to leave the forest, and since they could move fast, as he told them that because they could move fast, क्योंकि वो तेज़ी से चल सकते थे, तेज़ी से जा सकते थे, they had to go in a day. They had to leave the forest only in a single day. उन्हें एक ही दिन में जंगल छोड़कर जाना था, because they could move fast. Naga, the head of the snakes, pleaded for more time, but Makara would not give in. At the meeting, he silenced the others, the lizards and crocodiles, with even louder shouts and threats. Snakes are slimy, he said, and they make funny noises. Who wants such weird creatures around? Again, no one dared to disagree with Makara, and so the snakes left. So Naga, the head of the snake, Naga, who was the head of the snake? Naga, जो कि snakes का head था, pleaded for more time. He pleaded वकालत करना, अपनी बात रखना. He pleaded, he asked for more time. He asked Makara for more time. He asked Makara to give him more time to leave the forest. उसने मकारा से जंगल छोड़ने के लिए कुछ और मोहलत मांगी, कुछ और दिन मांगे. But Makara would not give in. But Makara did not allow him to leave a single more day. लेकिन उसने एक भी दिन ज़्यादा रुकने के लिए इजाज़त नहीं दी. At the meeting, he silenced the others, and in the meeting, in the same way, he silenced the others. He silenced other animals. उसने दूसरे जानवरों को चुप करा दिया. The lizards and crocodiles who wanted to speak, he told them not to speak. He made them silenced. उसने उन्हें चुप करा दिया, उसने उन्हें कुछ बोलने नहीं दिया. With even louder shouts and threats. With even louder shouts means he shouted much loudly the second time. दूसरी बार वो और तेजी से चीख पड़ा. That I don't want to listen, but and I think. And threats. He also threatened them. उसने उन्हें धमकियां भी दी और उन्हें चुप करा दिया. Snakes are slimy. He said snakes are slimy. They are slimy. They are very bad. We can't here can say take them with ourselves because they are very slimy. He said, and they make funny noises. They also make funny noises. Snakes also make funny noises. That's why we don't take them with ourselves. And who wants such weird creatures? Weird, you can say odd. Who wants such weird creatures? Means we don't want such weird creatures, such odd creatures. We don't want these kinds of creatures in our forest. हमें अपने जंगल में इस तरह के क्रिएचरों की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Again, no one dared to disagree with Makara. Again, there was not a single animal who could go against Makara. Again, no one dared to disagree with Makara. अब फिर कोई किसी के पास हिम्मत नहीं थी कि वो मकारा से डिसएग्री करे, उसकी बातों को न माने, एंड सो द स्नेक्स लेफ्ट, एंड दैट वाज द रीज़न दैट स्नेक्स आल्सो लेफ्ट द फॉरेस्ट। इसलिए स्नेक्स ने भी क्या किया, उन्होंने जंगल को छोड़ दिया। फॉर अ व्हाइल the animals of the forest were happy because they had been a little afraid of the snakes. You never knew when one of them might lose his temper and spit some venom at you, and it looked only a little poison to kill you after all. So for a while the animals of the forest were happy, but for a while, for some time, the other animal of the forest were happy because snakes had left the forest. स्नेक्स ने जंगल छोड़ दिया था, इसलिए कुछ दिनों के लिए दूसरे एनिमल थे वो हैप्पी थे, बिकॉज दे हैड बीन अ लिटिल अफ्रेड ऑफ द स्नेक्स। द रीज़न वाज दैट दे वर अफ्रेड ऑफ द स्नेक्स। रीज़न ये था कि वो स्नेक्स से डरते थे। दे वर अफ्रेड ऑफ द पॉइजन ऑफ द स्नेक्स, वो स्नेक्स के पॉइजन से डरते थे। यू नेवर न्यू, यू नेवर न्यू, यू डिडंट नो, आपको पता नहीं, when one of them might lose his temper, when one of the snakes might lose his temper, कि कोई एक स्नैक अपना टेम्पर, अपना टेम्परामेंट, अपना जो है बर्दाश्त की क्षमता जो है वो खो सकता है, एंड स्पिट सम वेनम एट यू, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ टेम्पर दैट स्नैक कैन स्पिट, स्पिट थूकना होता है, यहाँ पर काटना आप कह सकते हैं, स्पिट सम वेनम एट यू, दैट स्नैक मे स्पिट सम ऑफ द वेनम, सम ऑफ द पॉइजन ऑन यू, क्योंकि गुस्से में, एंगर में हो सकता है कोई स्नैक आपके ऊपर अपना जहर फेंक दे। एंड इट लुक ओनली अ लिटिल पॉइजन टू किल यू, एंड इट लुक ओनली अ लिटिल पॉइजन टू किल यू, एंड इफ देयर विल बी ओनली अ लिटिल पॉइजन ऑन योर बॉडी, इट कैन किल यू, इट मे किल यू। अ लिटिल पॉइजन ऑफ द स्नैक्स मे किल यू, और थोड़ा सा स्नैक्स का जो है, थोड़ा सा जो है पॉइजन ही क्या कर सकता है, आपको मार सकता है। पॉइजन टू किल यू आफ्टर ऑल, एनीवे अ लिटिल पॉइजन कैन किल यू। बहरहाल आपको एक थोड़ा सा जो है पॉइजन, हल्का सा जहर भी जो क्या है सांप का, वो आपको मार सकता है, आपको किल कर सकता है। दैट वॉज द रीज़न दैट अदर एनिमल वर हैप्पी, other animals were happy because snakes had left the forest, so some of the animals were also happy. So this is the part 2. I will complete this chapter in the next part, in part 3. So for today my class is ended. Thank you, have a nice day.